Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? And when you see me talking like this, you just have to know that it's going to be another dance tutorial video. So anyway, I did last week some hip movements part 1, and today I'm preparing another one with some hip movements part 2. There are so many movements that come under the category of hips that it was difficult for me to just select that okay, I'll do just these 5, but something that I see very often and I use in my routines is something that I'm offering you. Alright, so let's go. The first one that I want to show you is a hip shimmy, and it looks like this. Tap, 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 tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you could be doing it with your legs open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is a hip shimmy. For this, first just practice taking your body side to side, swaying it. So you go right body, center, left, center. Okay, just practice doing this. You could either do it with your feet together or you could be doing it with your feet apart. So I'm just going side to side. Taking it forward, coming back center, forward, coming back center. So you know that the momentum is this. Okay, now for the hip shimmy, you do not move your upper torso. Waist onwards, your upper body is static, only your hips move. Okay, so what we're going to practice is only taking our hip forward, the sway movement, and bringing it back. So taking our right hip forward first, you just go side. See, only my hip move, and I come back center. Now the left goes forward, and you come back center. Again right forward, center, left forward, center. You can keep your feet very light while you do this. So let's go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So once you're comfortable with this movement and you're not moving your upper torso, we can increase the pace and not stop in the center. We were stopping here, do not stop. Just take it from one sway to the other. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can increase the pace. Pop, 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 pop. It's just this way, one side to the other. We can do the same thing with our feet open. Let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward and the other way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And increase the pace. It might take you time to increase the pace, but that's okay. We can do a slow shimmy or we can do a fast shimmy. Okay, so that was a shimmy hip for you. And moving on to the next one is a belly side to side. I don't know what belly dancers call it, but that's what I'm naming it. So it looks something like this. 1 and 2, 3. Very, very commonly seen. Okay, so for this, first just practice going on your toes a few times. Okay, so you understand this momentum. Second thing you need to warm up or practice is just moving your hips side to side. So you know this movement too. Okay, this is your side to side. Now, for this belly side to side, okay, we'll practice going up. What we need to do here is just raise one leg up, like just go on one toe. So when I raise this hip, I go 1. Now I have to push my hip to the side. The practice that we did earlier. So I go side and then I place it down slowly. Now when I pick this up, same thing. I only lift this, I go up and then I push it to the side and I place it down slowly. Again up, side, down. Up, side, down. You have to take the effort to push this out. Only the hip and place it down. Also in this, your knees are not exactly straight. They are light. You must keep them a little bent, not too much. A little bent. Very light. Just keep your foot light. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift, side and place. Lift, side and place. Lift, side and place. Lift, side and place. 2, 3, and when you are technically good, we just bring your momentum in this. Cha, jump, jump, up. And of course, we can add variations in hands, but that's of course once you are just comfortable doing this. Okay? Now moving on to the next one is side and back. Side and back. Okay, so for this, obviously the idea is to place one leg out, okay, on either side. Now we deliberately raise our hip. One. Okay, so I have really taken the effort of not just stepping out but taking my hip upward. I go one. Now instead of just joining back, I stop in the middle. One, I stop and then bring it back. Go the other side. One. Deliberately went up, stop in the middle and then join it. Okay? I'm just keeping my hands here to be comfortable. They can be any way possible. Okay? Just the hips. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go up, stop and back. Up, stop and back. Tap, stop and back. Pull it up, stop and back, and then tap, 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 tap. One. It can be on the same side or on the other. Okay, this is a really simple move. Deliberately take it up, stop in the middle and place. Up, stop in the middle and place. Okay, now going on to the next one is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your hip is involved as well as your chest. So for this, you can either keep your feet together, but ideally I would like to do this step keeping my foot apart. Okay, so your feet is, let's say, at a 1 feet distance. Okay, so for this, imagine that someone has pushed you forward at your butt. So you go up. Make sure that your chest just follows where your hip is. So you come forward. While you are coming forward, make sure your hip goes back. And then your chest follows that. One more time, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip goes forward. Okay, only the hip is forward. Chest follows. Hip goes back. Chest follows. Hip goes forward. Chest follows. Hip goes back. Pump. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, keep your knees slightly bent for this. Very light. Not literally here. Just light. Okay, there. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. So hip goes forward, chest follows, hip goes back, chest comes back. Just you could place your hand here so you know that your forward is when you cross your palms and then your chest comes forward. Your butt goes back behind your palms and then your chest follows. This is a nice way to know that you are taking the effort of literally going forward and coming back. And this is your beautiful hip step. Can be done the other side. And 2, 3 and 4. Another way to accentuate this step would be literally stepping from your toe. Step, like command the forward with your toe. So my toe is up, I place it down and bring my hip forward. Chest comes and back. Again, push your heel down and back. Okay, so this was your sway forward and back. Now, the fifth one that I want to show you for today is what looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So idea is really simple. I went on 4 sides. Okay, so what you can do is for this you have to squat a little. So this is squat. 2, 3, 4. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so squat on either side. That will be your warm up. Now what we need to add to this is a sway. So your sway starts from one side to the other. You go 1. Again you start, lift it and you go 1. This is your sway. 2, 3. Obviously if you want to sway, your knees bent. Okay, so this way we will add to the squat that we practice on either side. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So my sway happened and the squat happened. Now, without coming back in over here, I take the same square, lift but go to the other side. Let's start this again. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Pull it back in and sway here and squat. Pull it back in, sway here and squat. Pull it back in, squat. Okay, now the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2. Straighten up, squat, sway. Straighten up, squat, sway. And you increase the pace. Pop, pop. Yes, the weight is on the leg which is not doing the sway, so this needs to be stronger while you do the step. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 and sway. Up, sway, up, squat and sway, up. So this is your step. Okay, so these were 5 steps of hip movements that I wanted to show you today. I'm just going to do something different today. I'm going to be doing this on sound for you, so you know that when these are actually applied to music, how it looks. So let's go. I hope you like the song. Let's go.
दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों?
Keep shimmy. Now we go for the hip roll.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों? खुद की भी सुन ले कभी। कुछ बात भी हो जाए, कुछ तेरी दिल भी खो जाए, फिकर धड़कने सारा से चले, छोड़ दूँ तेरे हाथ से वहाँ। सूरज डूबा है यारों को घुस नशे के मारो रास्ते भुला सारे घर बार के। सूरज डूबा है यारों को घुस नशे के मारो रंग तुम भुला सारे संसार के। Ask me for anything, I can give you everything. रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के।
One more time.
Ask me for anything, I can give you everything. रास्ते भुला दो सारे संसार के।
Okay guys, so that was a tutorial for you. 5 more hip movements. If someone is seeing this for the first time, I've done one previously also, so you have 10 hip movements to practice. Hope you like it. Share it with people who want to learn, your friends, family. Join my online sessions and lots of love. I really enjoy teaching, so thanks to you for being a part of this and seeing the whole video.